Hi, I'm on the bed taking rest after coming from my duty. And I think that it is better to use my free time in productive work. So I take my phone and now I'm starting to make English video for you. Let's get started. The most important parts in learning a language are listening. First of all, you have to listen when a native speaker speak. Their tone, their pronunciation should be listened. Then we have to mm, read. We have to know the letters, how to write a word, how to write a sentence, what are the structures that should be maintained in the process of reading. While we read a passage or we read a story, that we have to observe everything, how the writer writes his thoughts and his way of expressions. These things should be observed by the reader. Generally we ignore two main skills when we are trying to learn a language. That's our first of all, we have to use the knowledge of a language which we already have in our brain. Mm, it means we have to write in the language and we have to speak through the words which we acquired by listening and reading. So actually, by making this video, I am practicing my language skills.